Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tray FK7. I finally got some cargo mats for my car. Let's go. So this is what the back seat looks like currently. Now I have been using this car sort of daily, I guess. And as you can see, this is all dirty and like there's a bunch of stuff on it, really. This product I got from South Hills Honda. It was supposed to take 2 days to show up in my house, but then there was like a delivery issue, which isn't South Hills Honda's fault. It was actually UPS's fault, where I actually had to file a claim with them, and they finally delivered the product after a week to my house. Which is unfortunate. Basically what this product does is it's these little backseat protectors. They should have little cutouts where you can fit the safety latches. And then for this one, this is actually for a regular Civic. I got this for free because they thought this will fit the hatchback, but unfortunately, as you can see, it doesn't quite fit, but it's still here to protect my cargo area. Which Honda does sell, but I actually ordered mine on PRL, so I'm still waiting for that to show up to my house. It just came in this plain white box. It's pretty big, and let me just do a quick unboxing for you guys. So you literally just pull it out like this. That's really all what's in the box, just this thing. By the way, this is the part number 08P30 TEA100. If we look at the material, basically this is just Velcro. This isn't double-sided tape or anything. You just take this part off because this literally just sticks on the back of your chair. And they have little holes cut out already. This looks like it goes over here. For some reason, it came a little bit dirty, like you can see right there. So I don't know if it was something from the factory or the way that they packed it, but that stain definitely did not come from me. So I'm gonna wipe this off in a little bit. So this is what it looks like without any of the protection. As you can see, it's pretty banged up. There's a bunch of stains on it, and it looks like I have to clean it. So before I install this, I'm going to be cleaning this, and then after I clean it, I'll install the seat protector, or the back seat protector, so that this won't happen again. I'm just going to peel this off for you guys so that you can see exactly what it looks like and how you install it. So again, I'm just peeling off the Velcro on all sides of this. I think it'll be easier if we just fold it all the way down, and then you can install it instead of installing it from back over there. All right, then lift this up. There you go, guys. Perfect fit. Look at that. Minus the stain. I feel more comfortable putting stuff in the car now that I have that. And like I said, it's a perfect fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that one. And there you go, just like that. The back seats are fully protected. There is a little bit of a gap right here where it's not protected. And now that I have these protectors, I'm gonna feel a lot more safer throwing things inside my car and just basically, you know, just having protection. Especially if my seats are folded down. And I can also make this into a bed now, because everything will be leveled out once I get my cargo liner from PRL. So yeah, thumbs up for this. For those of you who are wondering, I use a Bauer 3-gallon wet and dry vacuum. I actually got this on Harbor Freight. It was on sale. I believe I got it for like 60 bucks. But yeah, this gets the job done. It also comes with a bunch of attachments, as well as this main attachment. So just a basic vacuum for all your vacuum needs on your car, because I do need to clean this really bad. And just like that, the cargo space is now spotless. I like to use the brush because it kind of agitates all the dirt and like whatever is stuck in between the carpet. You look how well it picked up all of the stuff. So the package finally came. They gave me such a big box for that little mat. And I'll tell you guys what the part number is. Bought this on PRL's website because they do sell genuine Honda parts. So this is it right here. Made in Mexico, apparently. I ordered this October 19, 2022. It is October 26, 2022, so about a week. That is the regular Civic cargo tray. This is the genuine Civic Type R tray. And you can already tell the difference in size and design. Then we get two little holes up there along with a little cutout. And then this is raised. This one wasn't raised. And now this is what it looks like. A lot better than last time. This fits a lot more. It's not 100% perfect, because as you can see right here, it's not 100%, but it fits. And I like it. I'm not sure what that little middle cutout is for, but it's there, I guess. But yeah, there you go. It even has the Type R logo too. Also, I forgot to check, but the bottom doesn't have the spike feet like what we had on my old cargo liner. So it just looks like that. So it's not gonna leave me those little holes that I have currently. Things I do for a video. If you haven't heard yet, LastFit is actually doing a sale on their website, 15% off all items. So if you're interested in purchasing floor mats or LED lighting or any of their accessories like their cargo box or their wireless charging phone mount, be sure to check out my links down below, because my links will take you to their website. Take advantage of their 15% off sale running through October 31st.